How to listen music together on Spotify. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Spotify app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head towards the song that you want to listen together. After you open the song, at the bottom left corner you can find this icon. You have to click on it. With that, you will get this option, select another device. Along with that, you will get the option of start a remote group session option for the premium users. But if you are not a premium user on Spotify, you won't get that option. So to be able to listen music together on Spotify, you have to update your Spotify to the premium version. With that, you will get the option start a remote group session and you have to tap on that option. And with that, you will be able to invite friends to the group. And once they join your group session, you can play music and podcast together. So this was all for this video. This is how you can listen music together on Spotify. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.